Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we got a quick introduction video for the barrel grip Milwaukee M18 fuel jigsaw that is 2737B-20. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So I just wanted to do a quick introduction video to you guys. Whoever is interested in this tool, you guys will get to see this introduction video before you guys get to see the unboxing. You can clearly see I already unboxed it. But I just wanted to do a quick video, so if anybody, they're going to see this video first. If you guys are interested in seeing more on this tool, then you guys will be prepared that it's coming to the channel for the unboxing and usage and everything next. Figured I'd try something new since the channel's monetized and we're making money off the channel. I figured I'd try something a little new, maybe give intro videos for tools coming out soon. You guys will see these videos immediately compared to the unboxings and the usage videos. It'll engage me on how much you guys are interested in some of these videos. Or it'll tell me at least how interested you are instead of engage. But it will make you guys engage with the channel if you are interested in seeing them. This is the 2737B-20. It's the barrel grip. The regular D handle version of this tool is 2737-20 instead without the B. This is just going to be a quick intro to the channel video. Figured I would do this on most tools coming up. See how much engagement the channel gets based off of it. I do appreciate you guys watching and checking out the videos as always. I just figured I'd try something new. Maybe experiment with doing some videos and editing and try to bring more flair to the channel if you want to look at it that way. I do appreciate you guys watching as always. This will be out as soon as I get it edited and put onto YouTube. You guys will see this definitely first. And let me know, do you guys like the introduction videos? Does it help you be more prepared to see more new videos on new tools? Let me know what you guys think of these videos. I already did some introduction videos that are being released in the next 4 or 5 days. 6 or 7 days actually. One released yesterday already. I believe one released today already. Of these introduction videos. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Also got an Ulsa Tools link down below. If you guys click on that link, it'll get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order. I do want to say thank you to all the viewers, the subscribers, and the commenters, and everybody that comes to the channel. 90% of my views are actually by non-subscribers. But I do want to thank everybody, including the non-subscribers, for checking out the channel. Reason being, and all the people that use the affiliate links, it is very much appreciated. It does bring tools like this to the channel. YouTube channel is now paying for itself, so I did pick up 2 Milwaukee M18 fuel switch tanks, complete switch tanks. And the YouTube channel and all the affiliate links and money I earned off that has paid for those tools. Something that I wanted the channel to be since I started the channel was that eventually the channel would start paying for the tools and the drill bits and the spattle bits, spade bits, however you want to label them, hole saws, everything else. Because since the channel's paying for itself now, I will be picking up wood for the channel. And we'll be doing some more demolition videos and demo videos. more screw and bolts and lag bolts and timber locks, and even, you know, maybe doing some demos with some recips and everything else. All thanks to you guys. Thank you guys so much for the support. I do hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!